Is it possible to filter email automation flows by using carrier name or shipping method? Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of Flow Email Marketing Agency, as this YouTube channel. And recently we received this question: is it possible to filter a flow by shipping method? And the quick answer, it is, but it depends. Depends on a few factors. What kind of a logistics system do you use, and what kind of information you are sending from your e-commerce store, e-commerce platform to Klaviyo. I will do quick demo of how to do it using AfterShip. AfterShip, it's I don't know how they define themselves. It's a notification system about status of your package. So when you ship, when it's in a route, if it's on hold or something, when it's delivered and so forth. I have other videos on that topic, but today I'll show you how to filter flow by shipping method. So let's do start a flow, create a flow. Let's create a flow. And now, since we use AfterShip, there's auto for delivery, let's say. Let's do test, create a flow, and trigger split. Okay, trigger split, and here we do carrier's name. Let's say it's you want to send one email to FedEx, so this is FedEx. So this one, let's rename it. So FedEx. Okay, so this is the email for FedEx. So if it's no pass, you do the same thing. Conditional split, trigger split, you do this one, and you do the same thing. Courier name is, let's say, UPS. So just duplicate it, and you do UPS and so forth. So in this case, in the question, original question, if it's by shipping method, can you do by method? Basically, if you, let's say, hand like courier delivery, so it's not FedEx, it will be the option courier delivery. In terms of method, so it can be under shipment type. This store does not do carrier delivery, but I know that I work on other flower shop companies and they did deliveries, and it was available, and I believe not under shipment type, but it was under courier name. So yes, you can do it. It depends on what system you use. So you can use AfterShip. There's another one, Malomo, and I believe there are a few others, but they are not as popular. Let me know if you have any additional questions. Thank you.